I'm sure you've heard the news. Eating well with IBS doesn't have to be a pain. Today, I've got 5 quick and delicious IBS-friendly recipes just for you. First up, a simple chicken and veggie stir-fry. Cook lean chicken strips with low FODMAP veggies like carrots and zucchini, and season with tamari for a tasty dish that's easy on the stomach. Next, a refreshing quinoa salad with grilled chicken and cucumber. Quinoa is low FODMAP and gluten-free, combined with lean grilled chicken and cool cucumber. For breakfast, how about an egg and spinach scramble? Eggs and spinach are gentle on digestion and pack a nutritious punch. Then, there's baked salmon with sweet potatoes. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, and sweet potatoes offer easy-to-digest carbs. Lastly, start your morning with some banana oatmeal. Use almond milk and a slightly ripe banana to keep it low FODMAP and delicious. Remember, sticking to low FODMAP ingredients and appropriate portion sizes can help keep your tummy happy. Happy cooking!